Ever feel like no matter how hard you try, the grocery bill just keeps climbing? The kids need new supplies, dinner costs more each week, and by Friday it feels like your wallet has already run dry. Moms, I know that feeling. It's like you're running a marathon with no finish line in sight. We've all heard it. Dollar stores are cheap and low quality. But here's the truth. Many of the essentials you buy there actually last just as long as the ones with fancy price tags. Moms who know this secret are already saving more without sacrificing quality. The system wants us to believe that more expensive always means better. Ads and packaging are designed to pull us into overspending. But moms like you and me, we're too smart to fall for that trick once we see the truth. Here's the twist. What if I told you that every week you might be throwing away money without even realizing it, just because of where you shop? Moms, this isn't about buying less, it's about buying smarter. I know how frustrating it is, trying to stretch one paycheck across groceries, school supplies, and home needs. You do your best, yet it feels like it's never enough. But what if a small shift in how you shop could bring relief and peace of mind? Here's the danger. If we don't change the way we spend, we'll keep losing hundreds, even thousands, every single year. But if you stick with me, I'll show you the simple dollar store secrets that will help you take back control of your money. Moms, you could be saving over $1,000 a year, and it starts at a store you're probably driving past every week. Hi, I'm Betty, your budget-savvy mom friend. Welcome to Budget Betty Real Tips. Real moms, real savings. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss money-saving hacks that make life easier. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Today I'll share my favorite dollar store secrets, where to save big, what to avoid, and how to shift your shopping mindset so your budget works harder for you. In this video, moms, stop overspending with these dollar store secrets. Grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. Dollar stores aren't what you think anymore, moms. They've come a long way from just selling little trinkets or party favors. Today, they're packed with everyday items your family actually needs, and many are surprisingly great quality. The variety has grown so much. From kitchen essentials to cleaning products and even decor, you'll find plenty of things that work just as well as the pricey versions. It's like uncovering hidden treasures right in your own neighborhood. And here's the best part when you make smart swaps. The average U.S. family can save $50 to $100 every month. That's real money back in your pocket simply by choosing dollar store alternatives. Those savings add up so quickly. Now imagine what that extra $50 to $100 could mean for your family. Maybe it's a weekend outing with the kids. Maybe it's a little extra into savings, or even just some breathing room in your budget. That's the kind of freedom every mom deserves. But here's the pitfall. We often get tricked at big box retailers. Bright packaging and fancy branding make us believe we're buying something premium, when in reality, it's often the same thing as the dollar store version. Like Benjamin Franklin said, a penny saved is a penny earned. Every small choice you make at the store can ripple into something bigger for your family's future. And that's the true power of being a budget-savvy mom. Let's be real. Moms keeping the kitchen stocked feels like a never-ending battle. Between storage bags, foil, spices, and cleaning cloths, the costs add up so quickly. But here's the good news. Dollar stores often carry versions that work just as well, without draining your wallet. Think about it, saving just $5 on everyday items doesn't sound like much at first. But over the course of a year, that small difference can grow into $200 or more. That's money you could use for family outings, birthday treats, or even setting aside for holiday gifts. The best part is you never have to stress about running out of basics. Imagine always having storage bags ready for leftovers or spices on hand for a quick weeknight meal. It's peace of mind, and honestly, it feels like a little victory every time. By mixing smart swaps with a little awareness, you can keep your kitchen stocked and your budget balanced. It's about choosing wisely, not spending endlessly. Moms, you deserve that peace of mind. As Theodore Roosevelt once said, do what you can with what you have, where you are. Moms, you're already doing so much. These little swaps are just another way to make life easier and save money while you're at it. Moms, keeping a clean home doesn't have to mean draining your wallet. Dollar stores carry everyday cleaning tools like sponges, scrub brushes, and spray bottles that do the job just as well as the expensive ones. Why pay more when simple solutions can shine just as bright? Did you know you could be saving $15 to $25 every single month just on cleaning supplies? That's money that could go toward your kids' activities, a family treat, or even tucked away for savings. Every little bit adds up, and this is one of the easiest swaps you can make. Imagine walking into a sparkling kitchen and living room knowing you didn't overspend to make it happen. That peace of mind is priceless, and it keeps the whole family feeling comfortable and cared for. Moms deserve that balance between a clean home and a healthy budget. But here's the catch. Moms, be careful with some chemical cleaners from dollar stores. Sometimes they're too watered down and won't work as well as the name brands. Stick to tools and basics, and you'll get the best value for your money. The best part? You'll still have a home that shines without the guilt of overspending. And you'll know you made a smart choice that benefits both your wallet and your family. As Voltaire once said, don't let perfect be the enemy of good, moms. You don't need the fanciest products to have a clean, happy home. You just need smart choices. And dollar store finds can help you get there without breaking your budget. Back to school shopping doesn't have to empty your wallet, mama. Kids go through crayons, pencils, and notebooks so quickly, and that's where the dollar store really shines. You can stock up without stressing about the cost. Crayons that bring their drawings to life, pencils for endless homework, and notebooks for doodles and dreams. These basics don't need to cost a fortune. They work just as well as the expensive ones from big box stores. On average, moms can save $40 to $60 each school year for every child. That's money that stays in your pocket instead of disappearing on overpriced supplies. Now imagine redirecting those savings maybe into a college fund or a family day trip. Little choices today can create big opportunities for their future. But here's the thing, don't grab everything. Backpacks and electronics from dollar stores often don't last. For those, it's worth spending a little more elsewhere. At the end of the day, remember this. Your kids are not a distraction. They are the most important work you'll ever do. Saving smart isn't just about money. It's about creating a future filled with love and security. Moms, let's be real. Birthday parties and holidays can sneak up fast and drain the budget. We want the kids to feel special, but that doesn't mean spending a small fortune. Dollar stores can give us everything from balloons to napkins without breaking the bank. Think about it. Decorating a birthday party can easily cost $100 or more. But with dollar store finds, you can cut that down and save up to $75. That's money you can put toward a gift, savings, or even a family treat. During the holidays, the pressure to spend can feel overwhelming. But dollar stores have seasonal decor that looks festive without the scary price tags. From Halloween pumpkins to Christmas garlands, you can still create magic on a budget. The best part? You can celebrate without stressing about overspending. Your home feels festive, your kids are happy, and your wallet stays safe. That's what I call a win-win for moms. Now, here's a quick warning. Skip buying candles or electronics here. Those items usually don't last, and you'll just end up spending twice. Stick to decor and party supplies where the savings shine. At the end of the day, moms, remember this. Celebrations are about love and laughter, not price tags. The best memories don't come from fancy decorations, but from the joy we share. And with a little creativity, you can have both memories and savings. Moms, we all know personal care can get expensive fast. From hair ties to cotton pads, those little things add up every month. But here's the secret. Dollar stores often carry the same quality basics you'd find at big drugstores, without the big price tag. Think about it, just by swapping a few items, you could cut your personal care costs by 30%. That's real money back in your pocket, ready for family fun, bills, or even a coffee date for yourself. Every dollar saved is another step toward less stress. And here's the best parts. Saving money doesn't mean you have to sacrifice feeling good. Fresh soap bars, handy cotton pads, simple hair ties, they keep you looking and feeling put together without draining your wallet. Confidence doesn't have to come with a high price tag. Imagine stepping out of the shower with that fresh, clean feeling, knowing you didn't overspend. It's a simple swap, but it can change how you see your budget and your self-care routine. That kind of peace of mind is priceless. But a little word of caution, moms, be careful with skincare products that don't list clear ingredients. Stick to the basics you know and trust. That way, you save money while also keeping your family safe. At the end of the day, simplicity really is the ultimate sophistication. Saving money, feeling confident, and keeping life uncomplicated, that's what makes you unstoppable. Moms, you deserve to look good and spend less. The real secret to saving isn't just about what you put in your cart. It's about how you think before you even step into the store. When you shop with intention, every dollar has a purpose. And that mindset is what truly changes your budget and your life. Think of it this way, if you save just $100 each month, that's $1,200 by the end of the year. That's money you can use for something your family will actually remember, like a weekend getaway or a beach trip. Imagine redirecting that money to things that really matter. Maybe it's paying off a credit card, starting an emergency savings, or finally saying yes to that family road trip you've been putting off. But here's the catch: low prices can trick you. It's easy to toss extra things in your cart just because they're cheap. That's not saving, that's just shifting your spending. That's why having a list is so powerful. It keeps you on track. It's like a compass guiding you through a jungle of temptations. So remember, moms, it's not just about what you buy, but how you buy it. With the right mindset, even small changes in your habits can create big wins for your family's future. Little choices today can mean financial freedom tomorrow. Dollar store savings can truly transform your budget. There it's the kitchen, cleaning supplies, kids' essentials, decor, or even your mindset. Overspending isn't about working harder, it's about shopping smarter. If this video gave you even one new idea, hit that like button, subscribe to Budget Betty, and share this with a mom friend who loves saving. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite dollar store find? Let's swap secrets together. This is Budget Betty Real Tips. Real moms, real savings. From one mom to another. Remember, you deserve peace of mind with your money. Until next time, happy saving.